Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're working on that Ford Focus MK3 and we'll show you how to remove and replace tail light on this thing. If you have a problem, yours is not working, it's broken, we'll show you how to do that now. And guys, don't forget to check out our main channel, World Mechanics. It's in the description below and it's going crazy fast now. So check it out, and now let's go ahead and start on that thing. What you need to do, you need to remove, you need to open the triangle first. Okay, and we'll show you what else you need to do here. Okay, let me get a light so you can see better. Right here, there is a lid that we need to remove. Okay, that lid. And under the lid there is one plastic screw bolt looking thing. You see it once we remove it. We'll show you what it looks like. Okay, right there. And there is one on top that's hidden right there. So don't forget to remove this one as well. And once you remove that one, you see how easy it is now. Okay, let me show you now. What you need to do, now you need to go easy on it because you might break it. You need to grab it right here and pull to the side a little bit, okay, because there is a clip. Okay, that clip right there, that's where it goes. So if you try to pull straight back, it's not going to work. And now those wires, guys, you need to press on the back and pull the rear side towards the back. Okay, just like that. And that's it, guys. That's the tail light for that Ford Focus MK3. Okay, you can see it's super easy to remove and replace, so it'll take you probably less than 2 minutes to do it. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.